Hello guys, welcome to Digitoliens Academy. After nearly 3 to 4 years, we are back on YouTube because digital marketing has completely changed after AI and it's time to learn the future, not the past. Today, almost every institute is teaching the same digital marketing, but the real question is, are they targeting the future of digital marketing? Not. Or are still teaching the old routines? Because honestly, most institutes are still teaching the same syllabus, like old ways, SEO, SEM, social media marketing, meta ads. Everyone is teaching the same regular topics in the same old way. If you want, you can visit their websites and their channels and all, and you guys can check their syllabus and all. But the reality is, digital marketing is not the same anymore. AI has completely changed the industry. Okay, and in future, it's going to change even more. Now, coming to the why digital marketing changed. Earlier, digital marketing was mostly about, posting content, running ads, basic SEO, basic targeting. But now the industry is moving towards AI-powered marketing systems, automations, predictive targeting, AI-generated campaigns, consumer behavior intelligence, personalized marketing journeys, and all. The entire ecosystem is changing. Okay, and this is telling that nothing. Okay, you just have to focus on your strategies and planning in future. Okay, Meta AI connectors will come. Okay, Meta AI connectors. Okay, those will automatically create campaigns, ad sets, ad groups, and they even create creatives. Okay, they run campaigns based on your strategy and planning and your budget allocations. Okay, now the biggest problem in digital marketing institutes, I mean digital marketing education, everyone is teaching the same syllabus. Okay, and the biggest problem is most institutes are teaching one common strategy for every industry. Okay. But real world marketing doesn't work like that. Okay. Every industry has a different audiences, a different psychology, different buying behavior, budgets, customer journeys, and different content consumption patterns. And so, how can one strategy work for everyone? Okay, these all institutes and all digital marketers are, teaching the same digital marketing techniques when coming to the SEO, basic on page, off page, and backlinks. Everyone is teaching the same. But if you take real estate, if you take, hospital, or if you take restaurants and all, your strategy, you have to change your strategy. Okay, if you focus on SEO also, you have to use some different strategy. If you focus on SEM also, you have to use some different strategy. Every industry needs different SEO strategies, SEM strategies, social media strategies, budget allocations, and everything. But nobody is discussing this deeply. Everyone is teaching create campaign, run ads, boost post, but nobody is explaining why a strategy works for particular industry. When a strategy works for which industry it works, okay, that's the biggest gap in digital marketing education today. Okay, for example, let me take old SEO versus new SEO. Okay, earlier SEO mostly meant on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and backlinks. But now SEO itself has evolved into something completely different. Okay, now it's becoming AI SEO, search engine generative experience, entity-based search, user intent engineering, and behavioral optimization and AI-powered search visibility like that. Okay, we used to search, if you want something, we used to search everything in Google. But now, what we are doing, many people are coming and many people are opening ChatGPT and they are asking whatever they want. And ChatGPT is getting information from Google and some other search engines and they are simply publishing. Okay, right? This is the new kind of SEO which is happening in the industry, but no one is teaching. Okay, this particular thing. That's why we wanted to start digital marketing to teach AI powered strategies. Okay, in all modules, like if you take SEO, SEM, and SMO. Okay, now everything is evolving. Okay, same with Google Ads, Meta Ads, content marketing, ORM, social media strategies. Everything is evolving. Okay, earlier we used to write blogs. When coming to the content marketing, we used to write blogs. Now AI generated content ecosystem. Okay, AI video systems, attention targeting, personalized content journeys. Consumer behavior also changed completely because of reels, shorts, okay, AI recommendations and attention-based algorithms. Okay. If you want to be a futuristic digital marketer, okay, if you want to be a futuristic digital marketer, okay, you know what will happen in future? Meta AI conductors will gonna come. Okay, they automatically create all campaigns. Okay, they run and they segregate the budget division. They segregate the budget and okay, they target based on users profile and users behavior and users psychology. So you have to plan properly in terms of strategies and budgets. Okay, you know, if you think like, okay, there are many institutes are running in Hyderabad and India, but why these people are, you know, trying to give same techniques when compared with others? Okay, if you visit their websites and all, you will come to know. Okay, now we wanted to educate people who are focusing on digital marketing. We wanted to integrate AI completely with our digital marketing techniques. Okay, so that futuristic digital marketers will know what is happening currently and what is going to happen in the future. Okay, that's why we wanted to start this digital marketing. And okay, if you want to learn modern AI powered digital marketing with the real-time industry strategies, just subscribe us. And okay, every week we are going to upload two or three videos based on schedule channel. And every week we will upload some topics on SEO. We'll upload some topics on SEM, SMO, and user behaviors and all. Okay, so if you guys want to be a futuristic digital marketer, if you want to know AI structured digital marketing, if you want to integrate particular AI things in your digital marketing strategies and techniques, okay, just follow us. And okay, everything we are going to teach in YouTube. Okay, starts from SEO to analytics. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, if possible, try to subscribe our channel so that we can be in touch. Thank you.